We got her done. What does it look like? Stay tuned and I'll show you. Welcome back, FrankNCarrie's Homestead model building. We got it done. I'll show you here in a little bit what it looks like. Anyway, on this model it was simple, but I made it a little more complicated. I went to a pearl white. I made it basically my own. As you'll see, I got pictures and I'll have the little short video of it. Parts of the model didn't fit right. I had to make them fit, but hey, it was a cheap model. It was a little fun little build. I made my own decals for it, as you'll see in the pictures and the video. I think it turned out looking a lot better. I did not do the spark plug wires and that on it, just for the simple reason that parts on the motor didn't look right, didn't fit. Another thing is, they didn't have a distributor cap. That part was missing. I don't know why they didn't include it in the model, but they didn't. Even though it showed it's supposed to be on there, but it's not. It did come in yellow, but it no longer has any yellow on it. The drag slips come in a two-part. You have to glue them together. One of them didn't quite fit together, so I had to modify it to make it fit. The chrome, pretty clean. Not a lot of cleanup on the chrome, but there is a few things when you scrape the chrome off, so your glue sticks, that when you put the other parts on, then you have to go back with like the liquid chrome and put it on there just to clean it up. But yeah, it actually turned out really well. I'm going to take a couple days here, maybe 2-3 days. I'm going to do some rearranging in here. As you can see the mess behind me here on the desk. I'm going to build a deal to hold my paints and see if I can organize it a little better, simpler. I got to do some work here on the bench where I have my airbrush. One thing I did learn is, and maybe some of you can give me some ideas, but the white pearl is an acrylic paint. I added some retarder to the paint, and I also added called airbrush medium. And the problem I'm having with it is it dries out in the airbrush way too fast. I tried adding more retarder to it, and it's still drying up in the brush. I like how it went on. Come out really nice, smooth. If you can see this white pearl, I put a white base coat, a white pearl. I put 3 coats of gloss coat, and it's amazing. I mean, the camera does no justice for it. But anyway, if you have any tips on acrylic paints, I'd greatly appreciate it. I watched some videos and that. I done basically what a couple of them said as far as using the retarder and the medium, but it just dries out in the airbrush. So if you have any tips, let me know. Or if you have a video even, I'll come and watch it. I want to learn more about these acrylic paints, because the way they flow when you put it on the model, I love it. But drying out in the airbrush is a pain. You have to tear the airbrush down to get it clean, get it unclogged, everything. And I done that like 3 times on this model to get it cleaned out, to get it done. But so anyway, I'll be back with a new build, and I'm not sure which one I want to do yet. I got the 2016 Camaro that I can do. I got a 53 Chevy panel wagon I can do, and I also got a level 5 Dodge Charger that I can do, and I got a Dell Earnhardt number 88. It's a snap tight kit that I can do. So leave it in the comments which one you think I ought to do. Catch you on the next video. But don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's the suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.